In this video, you'll learn 15 essential HTML tags, what they do and when to use them, so you can build real web pages with clean structure. Quick rule: most HTML tags come in pairs, an opening tag and a closing tag. The closing tag has a slash. Tags also sit inside other tags, which is called nesting. First, the HTML tag. The ML tag is the outer wrapper for your whole page. It tells the browser everything inside is HTML. You use it once per page. Next, the head tag. The head tag holds information about the page that you usually don't see on the page itself, like settings, the title, and links to CSS files.
If you enjoyed this,
Inside the head, the title tag. The title tag sets the text that appears on the browser tab. This is not a big heading on the page. It's only for the tab name. Also in the head, meta. The meta tag provides extra details about the page. The most common one is charset. Meta charset UTF-8 helps your page display letters and symbols correctly. Now the body tag. The body tag contains everything people see on the page: text, images, buttons, and more. You use it once per page. Next are headings. Headings go from H1 to H6. Use H1 for the main page topic. Use H2 for sections. Use H3 for smaller sections inside those. Don't choose headings just to make text bigger. Use them to show structure. For normal text, use the paragraph tag. The P tag is for sentences and paragraphs. It keeps content readable and adds natural spacing. For links, use the anchor tag. The A tag creates a link, and href is the destination. Use it for navigation, references, and linking to other pages. For images, use the image tag. The M tag shows an image. Set is the image location, and alt is a text description. Always include alt text. It helps accessibility and also appears if the image doesn't load. For bullet lists, use UL with the UL tag starts the list, and each li tag is one list item. Use this when order doesn't matter. For numbered lists, use OL with li. Use OL when order matters, like steps in a process or ranked items. Now containers. The div tag is a generic block container. It doesn't add meaning by itself, but it's useful for grouping sections so you can style them with CSS or organize layout. The span tag is the inline version of a container. Use span to wrap a word or small part of a sentence, usually to style it without breaking the line. For clickable actions, use the button tag. The button tag creates a real button. A button doesn't do anything by itself until you connect it with JavaScript, but it's the correct tag for actions like submit, open, start, or buy. For collecting user information, use forms. The form tag wraps your input fields. The label tag names an input clearly, and the input tag is where the user types. This is what you bore.
if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please subscribe to our channel. Just click the subscribe button now. And don't forget to share.